Insurance companies only care about profits. They do not care about injury victims. They want to pay you as little as possible for your injury claim. I've seen this time and time again. You see, I spent years working on behalf of insurance companies defending personal injury claims in court. In this video, I will tell you one thing insurance companies will say to you about your injury claim that you absolutely must not believe if you want a big payday on your injury claim. To illustrate my point, let me tell you the story of my past client, Cindy. Cindy's case involved a car accident. But what I'm about to teach you in this video applies to all personal injury cases, including automobile accidents, slip or trip and falls, dog attacks, or any type of injury case. Cindy was injured in a rear-end motor vehicle accident. She contacted me months after her car accident looking for help. You see, Cindy had been handling her injury case on her own and had no idea what to do next, even though the other driver's insurance company had admitted to liability. Cindy had significant neck problems prior to her car accident and had been getting medical treatment for these neck problems prior to the accident. The accident, however, made her neck problems even worse. She did not seek medical treatment right away, though. Her first time seeing any medical writer after the car accident was weeks later at her next scheduled appointment with her doctor, who was already treating her for her neck problems prior to the accident. She had already scheduled this appointment prior to her car accident. By the time Cindy called me, she had just completed a neck surgery, which was performed several months after her car accident. When she called me, she explained to me the insurance company had not yet offered her any compensation on her case, and she was not sure what to do next. After Cindy hired her law firm, my staff immediately requested and gathered all her medical records and bills for all her medical treatment following the accident, including the surgery records. Upon receipt of the surgery records, I then sent a written demand to the insurance adjuster demanding the insurance company to pay out the insurance policy limits. In response to my written demand, the insurance adjuster only made an offer of only $5,000. The insurance adjuster argued to me that she thought Cindy's case probably had no value, arguing that my client's surgery was not related to the car accident, as she would have had to have the surgery regardless of the car accident, giving her pre-existing problems with her neck. Insurance companies commonly argue that injury claims have no value or very little value when that is simply not the case. This is a common insurance company tactic used to try to get you to accept a lowball settlement offer. Do not bite for this insurance company trick. Based on my recommendation, Cindy declined this lowball offer of $5,000, and we advised the insurance company we were sticking with her policy limits demand offer. I next sent Cindy to a doctor to perform an independent medical examination on her. After performing the examination on her, the doctor provided me with a written report in which the doctor confirmed that her neck problems were aggravated by the car accident and the neck surgery was appropriate, reasonable, and necessary as a result of the motor vehicle accident. I then sent the doctor's report to the insurance company, but the insurance adjuster barely upped their offer by coming back with an offer of only $10,000. The adjuster continued to argue that she believed my client's claim had no value because she believed Cindy would have had to have this surgery regardless of whether she was involved in the car accident, giving her pre-existing neck problems. We also rejected this offer. Cindy and I both had enough of the insurance company playing games. So I then filed a lawsuit on Cindy's behalf against the insurance company's insured driver that caused the accident. After I filed the lawsuit for Cindy, we consistently stuck with our demand offer for the policy limits. We refused to accept any offers short of the policy limits. The insurance company finally gave in and offered the policy limits, and we finally were able to settle the case for the $100,000 policy limits I demanded when I started working on the case. Insurance adjusters will tell you your case has little to no value. They want to try to convince you of that so that you accept their lowball settlement offer and save the insurance company boatloads of money. Do not believe the insurance adjuster if they tell you this. If you reject the insurance company's lowball offers and aggressively pursue your case further, you give yourself a shot at a potential much bigger payday for your injury claim. The thing is, now that you know not to believe the insurance adjuster when they tell you your case has little to no value, what is the best thing to do after the insurance adjuster makes you a lowball offer? Well, if that happens, you must put pressure on the insurance company if you want any shot at a big payday for your injury claim. And in this video about to pop up here, I will tell you how you can put pressure on the insurance company in your injury case. Lastly, if you've been injured in a car accident, slip or trip and fall incident, or dog attack incident in Kentucky, remember to don't wait, call Tate.